This is an exciting day. We are now doing the fourth and final process of my grit for the rock tumbling. But it's kind of unique. So what I'm doing for you is I'm showing you how I do some of this. How do I do a 2-camera shoot with a 1 person? So you can see I have my action camera on my head so that when I look down, it will show the rocks, and when I look up, I can talk to you. Then when I go outside, I'll leave the camera that I'm talking to you on, and I'll walk outside and I'll have my action camera showing us the washing of the rocks. I didn't know if you'd like that or not, but I thought it'd be kind of cool in case you want to do your own vlogging with you and your own camera as a 1-person operation. So this is an exciting day. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my tumbler, and it's a lot quieter. And I'm going to be adding in a moment the last and final grit, and I'll tell you about that. But let's go outside first and see what it looks like after 3 weeks, 24/7, non-stop tumbling, and see how the rocks are polishing up. So we're going to walk outside. We're going to go to my container that I already have in place here. Open the lid. I'm amazed how that lid seals so well. It's got a rubber seal all the way around it that really holds it tight. And here's the gray water. So I'm pouring out grit 3. And really this is the last polishing of the rocks, except for the final polish, which is the polish that puts on the shine. So it's not, the rocks won't get any smoother than this. We're not going to talk much about the rocks because of time, and these 4 steps can take a while, but you can see they're very, very nicely rounded off. So let's go back in the shop and add the grit, the final grit. This is really something. Look at this one. This one is called Final Polish, and it's actually aluminum oxide. It's a different formula than the other 3, and it's very, very fine. And it's going to take 3 scoops, or in this case 3 tablespoons, and it looks like talcum powder. It's very fine. Look at that. There's actually no grit in it. And then what we're going to do here is put it back on the tumbler. And so if you're paying attention, how long does it have to spin for? You guessed it. It spins for 7 days, non-stop. So I'm going to plug it in, and then I'm going to make my final conclusion on part 4, because that's the best part of rock tumbling. And we'll see you in 7 days.